In today's video I will show you how you guys can see all phishing pages and safe pages all across the internet, with only one script that is written in Python. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities at all. Content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. For this purpose, we use a script named Phishing Catcher. First we have to download it. You can find link in the description. Download it anywhere you like. After downloading is complete, you can find it. Here it is. Now open the directory. After opening the directory, you have to install requirements. To install requirements, type the command appearing on the screen. I have already downloaded the requirements. For you guys, it will install requirements. After installing requirements, list directories. Now we have to run this Python tool. To run it, type the command appearing on the screen. After running the command, it will start working. As you guys can see, a lot of links are appearing on the screen with green, red, and yellow colors. Now, I will tell you, what does these colors means. Green color means it is a safe link, red color means it is a phishing page, and yellow color means it is most like a phishing page. You can also see scores written after the link. Now I will tell you what does these scores means. 65 is for potential, 80 is for likely a phishing page, 90 is for suspicious. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Here is the channel on how to earn good money from home. Link to this channel is in description.